What's up YouTube? I'm here today to make a short intro into the best free photo editing app for Android smartphones, at least in my own opinion. It is Snapseed and it's packed with all that you need for editing. It has all main features for color editing, but also has some features that makes it pocket Photoshop. Yeah, you heard it right. You can easily make almost all effects like altering backgrounds, clean faces, make effects on whole photos, so as partial effects that change properties on some portion of the photo. You notice by now that I'm not making a review, just a small intro to show you fast what this piece of software can do. You can see the difference between original by tapping on photo itself, and you can make adjustments all the way to beginning reverting photo to its original state. If you're interested, let me know to make a full review or tutorial on this app. You can just sit back and enjoy to the end of the video, and I'm pretty sure all of you will download this app right after you watch the video. So see you guys and girls till the next video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.